Welcome to Ignite Little Stars. Uh-oh, I feel a funny feeling in my tummy. That means it's time to go potty. Let's sing our potty song. Join me.
When you feel that funny feeling, it's time to go. Tell mom or dad, don't wait, don't say no. Hurry to the potty, find your special seat. Take your time, be proud, you're on your way, so neat. Potty time, let's go, let's go. Flush, wash, array, now you're good to go. Potty time, you're doing so great. Ooh, big kid power, now let's celebrate. Pull down your pants, sit down just right. Try your best, you've got this, hold on tight. Be patient, take your time, there's no rush. When you're all done, it's time to flush. Potty time, let's go, let's go. Flush, wash, array, now you're good to go. Potty time, you're doing so great. Big kid power, now let's celebrate. Wiggle, 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 do a little dance. You're a potty star, take a chance. Clap your hands, give a cheer, you did it, hooray! Let's all hear. Pull up your pants, stand up tall. Give a little dance, you did it all. Don't forget to wash your hands, rub-a-dub-dub. Try them on, big high five and a happy hug. Potty time, let's go, let's go. Flush, wash, array, now you're good to go. Potty time, you're doing so great. Ooh, big kid power, now let's celebrate.
Like and subscribe for more.